Hello, 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 hello. I am excited to be with you this very hour, revealing to you how to make money from Russia 2018. That is, as you can see on the screen, FIFA World Cup Russia 2018. How to make fortune from Russia 2018. Without wasting much of our time, I'm here just to repeat to you uh, how I've been thinking about what call. We don't need to just be a spectator as a many importer, but we must be a spectator alongside making money. Whether we like it or not, people going to World Cup, the players, the referee, the host nation, and every one of them, even the participating nation, they will be compensated in one way or the other. But you and I, Nigerians or across the globe, we take our time to buy what you call it, to buy fuel, even when there is no light, to just everything that it takes to really make sure that you are connected. Talking about you are doing your digital TV subscription such as GoTV, DSTV, yeah, Star Time, and the likes that are licensed to broadcast the event live from Russia. All these your investment, putting your money, some people will go as far as going to film center, paying money to watch every star matches, including the matches involve their nation, particularly as a Nigerian. But you as a mini importer, I believe that you're a business person. You can be watching sorry, excuse me, please. I'm sorry. So let's continue. You cannot just only be watching football or the World Cup without making money from it. With what I'll be referring to you in this short video, we want to show you as a mini importation person, you can make money from World Cup 2018, known as Russia 2018. So let's get started. Introduction. Russia 2018 is a FIFA organized soccer World Cup tournament that normally hold between June and July of every 4 years at a chosen country. This year tournament shall be hosted by Russia, and we all know that, and it will be hosted in 11 cities and 12 stadia in that nation, and it will kick off on 14 June 2018 with 32 nations including host nation Russia competing with other qualifying nations. And Super Eagles of Nigeria will be live in Russia, and 62 matches shall be played. That is a little introduction I can give you about football. I am not a football fanatic, but I just capture this for the purpose of this. And that is me on the screen. I am Anthony Sholudele, and also the CEO or the senior marketing officer of Foresight Global Multi Services, and I engage in many importation business, niche blogging, website design, bulk SMS, farming, and the likes of other business that are legitimate to make money both online and offline. Without wasting much of our time, that is the team, presumed team list of players that will be representing Nigeria at Russia 2018. So I don't even know a name of any one of them except for two. I can remember this. I think this is what's the name? I don't know the name of this person again, but I could remember only this one, Mikel Obi. But that's not the issue. I wish them the best in Russia 2018. If at least they can get to quarter final or semi final, it will add to the color and also slots given to African nation. Okay, and this is the complete 32 nations that will be competing in FIFA World Cup 2018, known as Russia 2018. And as you can see on the screen, I'm proud of my nation. Nigeria is here, you can see it, and the other nation that will be competing. Okay, why World Cup and mini importer or mini importation? Can put it, let me put it that way. Why World Cup and mini importation business? What is correlation between the World Cup and mini importation? World Cup is meant for fun, that is general understanding of all people watching it. But now what concern mini importation to this, or what mini importation has to do with this? And as a business person and an entrepreneur, I begin to think, I know and I quite sure that the major player or major operators of World Cup, they are setting it up to make money at the expense of some people that are cashing fund. But you and I, as a mini importer or mini importation business person, we also can cash fund as they are making it no look to us. And at the same time, as a wise mini importation business person, you can make money alongside the way they make money. Can I tell you something? The hoteliers will make their money in millions during this World Cup in Russia. The transporter will make their money. The what call it? The digital television provider will make their money. Even the ones that are not digital, like with the likes of NTA, AIT, and whatever, they make their money. The advertiser that will advertise on this will make their money. The media house such as print, that is talking about newspaper, they will make their money. And can I tell something? Bloggers also will make their money. So many people will make their money, and then why you and I, a mini importer business person, can't we make our money? I take my time to think about that. How can I make money from World Cup without stressing myself all through that 30 days of the event? We should be able to make money. And I came up with an idea, and that is the idea I will be sharing with you and on this video. How to make money from World Cup. What is the correlation of World Cup and mini importation business? World Cup is meant to make money for the major player, what you call it, actor or initiator. They make money from ticket, they make money from hotel, they make money from, just mention it. And we also, even they make money from us watching it through the television, through advert, through every other thing. We also must make money. The player will make money, the host nation will make money, the participating nation will make money. So you and I must make money as well, and that is essence of this video. So okay, so why World Cup and mini importation business? Number one, Nigerians have, I put it down here, Nigerians are football lover and die-hard fans of team that is winning, irrespective whether they are nation or not. You know something, I can tell you that there are many Nigerians that when it come to Brazil, they watch their match. When it come to Argentina, they watch their match. When it come to a nation like Spain, nation like Portugal, where Cristiano Ronaldo came from, nation like England, you know, all these very powerful nation in football, they will watch their match. And now talking about Nigeria, and there are some matches that are hot matches that they also they want to watch, that is high profile matches. Imagine host nation is playing, imagine Argentina is playing, imagine Brazil is playing, imagine Portugal is playing, imagine Nigeria is playing. People will watch this match, and from all this match, quarter-final match, knockout stage, final, semi-final, you know, every Nigeria, every football loving Nigeria will watch it. And then you know one thing, most of them will find their way how to watch it, either they are sniper or not. They will go either to the bar, to the restaurant, to viewing centers, to hotel, wherever they can be able to watch it. So, and you and I can position ourselves to make money as well. As we are watching it, we are making money every time there is a match. I'm not talking about betting. Neither am I talking about putting your money on one player or the other. No, I'm talking about how to use your mini importation business knowledge to make money from World Cup Russia 2018. So World Cup Russia 2018 is a platform to trade our business and as an entrepreneur that take advantage of events and happening to make cash. And that is what we are going to do from this. Oh, you can see FIFA World Cup 2018 and mini importation. What is the synergy between them? I will just take your time to watch to see. Okay, how to make cash from Russia 2018. This is where the business is. Number one, place bet on each matches, and that is not the essence of, that is not the purpose of this video. But I just want to tell you some of the fundamental way that you can make money online through Russia 2018 for people that are better, that are betting in football, that are good in football or putting their money there. They can make their money from betting on every match. You can bet on Brazil, Brighton. No, that was not the essence of this bet. I'm only telling you that's one of the way. Another way, start football film center. You can kickstart your business starting a football film center in your neighborhood, knowing full well that many people will want to watch this match no matter the situation. And you know, funny thing is that this is the time that PHC or PHCN or NEPA may disappoint so many people, but Nigeria as a football nation and people, they will find their way to football free center and paying 100 naira, 200 naira and the likes. So that is one way or that to make money also from Russia 2018. I believe you are following. What again? Sales of digital TV decoders such as GoTV or DSTV, start time, and the holder that are licensed to transmit the matches. So that just it. You can start the business by selling decoder, and many people will buy it because of this national World Cup. So what again? As you can see on the screen, that is the betting center. That is NairaBet, and this is the film center, and this is, so these are the three pictures that depict the three business model to make it major through which you can make money from Russia 2018. But as concern us, all these you should not disturb ourselves. However, you can make it part time, you can make your money, maybe putting bets on it, but you must do your research. You don't want to waste your money. And starting football film center, of course, if you have the money, you can do it, and then you know that the viable environment where people will surely come and patronize you. Or you can start a digital TV decoder that will be licensed to broadcast the match live and direct from Russia. Okay, let's go to the one that concerns us. How to make money from Russia 2018 with mainly importation business. That is what concerns you, and that is what concerns me, and that is the essence of this video. Okay, and I put it here, I say simply buy and sell branded World Cup 2018 souvenirs to football loving Nigerians in the spirit of the World Cup fiesta. How you can make money by selling some branded World Cup souvenirs. And you know, many people want to identify with particular nation, with particular footballers, with particular brands. Just mention it. They want to identify with the World Cup, they want to identify with the nation, they want to identify with footballers that is participating in that event, that is Russia 2018. Also, okay, and if people want to identify with this, how do you take advantage of this, giving them what they will use to identify with them? You see, when they are watching for one in the stadium, you see people carrying the flag. You can sell flag of the nation, of a country. You can sell so many things that identify with nation, footballer, or the event, the World Cup itself. So that is three ways to sell the souvenir. You can sell, you can buy and sell. Excuse me. Let's see. For example, you can buy and sell wristband or team bracelet. I know you know that. I will speak more about this. You can sell key holder. You can buy and sell wristwatch for nations, for the World Cup, and then you can sell face cap, towel, mug cup, and lots more. It is endless. What again? Sample of souvenir picture. Sample souvenir picture in picture. You can see that is the official key holder of Russia 2018, as you can see on the screen. And again, that is wristwatch for each nation. As you can see, that the wristwatch with pendants for each nation. And then you can see official mug of Russia 2018. That is wristband of nation. That is Brazil wristband. Face cap, official face cap of Russia 2018. And that is official bracelet another bracelet, that is wristband, for each nation, participating nation. And again you can say a football pendant of the tournament. And also that's another official key holder of Russia 2018. So these and many more you can buy and sell. But now, how do you go about selling this? Because buying it is not the ultimate, but how do you sell it? And that is why I will be explaining to you in the next video, in the next slide. Offline aggressive marketing secrets, that is how to sell it aggressively offline in particular. This time around I will not concentrate on selling it online, talking about payment on delivery, this and that. No, we are talking about what you can sell. You are buying 100 pieces of a particular product and you are able to sell it finished within 24 hours or 48 hours of Russia 2018. And before you know it, you order for another one, so that you can make order of nothing less than 3 or 4 times before the month end. That is what I will be discussing with you here. I'm talking about how to sell it offline without waiting for a delivery company, without going on Facebook to, that one will take a longer process. But I'm talking about when you get it within 1 week, you sold it off, and you buy another one within 1 week, you sell it off, because you have 3 good 4 weeks. So at least you can make order of nothing less than 2 times or 3 times within the interval of the Russia 2018, and you are able to sell it finished. So that is essence of this video. I'm not talking about using online. Of course I may mention using online, but that is not our objective. Okay, now how to sell it off aggressively, how to sell it offline with aggressive market secret. Number 1, partner with football viewing center. How do I mean? We all have, at least in every locality or in every environment, there is 1 or 2 viewing centers where youths and adults go to watch football match. So to sell your this souvenir fast, go to this viewing center. You partner with the owner. It's either you partner with him, it depends on the agreement you want to enter into with him. Either we partner with him that as people are paying, maybe it will increase his his payment whatsoever. Maybe he's charging them like 300 naira before, 200 naira before, he will charge them 500 naira. In line with that, with that 500 naira, the hotel will have taken care of the souvenir that everyone that is coming in will pay for gate fee, and at the same time they are collecting your souvenir. And now maybe you are giving him a particular amount of the cost of the souvenir. Maybe the souvenir is 300 naira, you are giving him 50 naira. So that means that you will make extra 50 naira on every one of them. He will be happy. Or you position yourself at the entrance or at the environment of the viewing center. You get it? And then selling your item to people coming to watch the match. So it depends on whatsoever way you want to do. And I said that, so that is what I believe you can do to sell it aggressively. And if you are going there, you go there today, tomorrow, every day there will be matches. At least for the first 5 days there will be matches. So that means that within 5 days you can finish selling nothing less than 100 pieces of any item that you brought in. And over the weekend, order for another one, you arrive by Monday or Tuesday, and again you sell it. So that is how to do that, from partnering with with a football viewing center. And you know that you can even sell more during, for example, now opening match, the Nigerian match, knockout stage match, and final match. These are the area where you can really make money and profit it. Is that okay? And what again? Partner with football betting shop. You can partner with football betting shop. That is, as people are coming to their shop to bet on the matches, they can display your souvenir for for people to buy, people coming to place bets in their shop. You can display your souvenir there, or you partner with them that they should help you sell it, and you give them some percentage from the sales they make for you. And that is another way to make money. I think I will not say much about it, but at least these are the hints I believe you can begin to think over and look at it. And I want to believe that in your locality you can reach out to nothing less than 5 viewing center and 5 football betting center, and before you know it, you'll be out of stock within 1 week of the World Cup, first week of World Cup. So that's just it. Number 2, partner with newspaper vendors stand. So go there also. Every time there is, for example now, if there is a match today and the following day, people will always be at the vendor to buy newspaper, and as they are buying newspaper, you are positioning your your souvenir, or you are partner with him, let him put it there. People will buy it and pick it. As they are buying newspaper, they are buying the souvenir, so you can make money from there also. Imagine you give him 50 and within 2 days sold it finish and he's making profit. When you partner with them in a way that they also will make money from it, they will surely be eager to sell for you, because they knew that the more they sell, the more they will also make money alongside with their newspaper, alongside with their side business. So that's just it. What again? Partner with beer joints, beer parlor joints or restaurants with TV for World Cup matches. So many people will go to the, in fact, this is the arrangement. This is the time that you see many people, they are not even going there to drink or to do it, but they just want to watch a match. And if the person, okay, before you enter, buy souvenir, even if we are watching the match, you free of charge, but before they enter, buy souvenir. Do you want to tell me that people that have no option, out of 100 that want to watch the match, at least 30 to 50 of them will buy the souvenir? And because he will make money, and before you know, as they are also watching the match and they are happy, they will still patronize him. So that's just it. So that is another way to sell it aggressively offline. I'm talking about to sell it aggressively offline without waiting for go and do an advert on Facebook and delivery through the shipping company and all the stress following that one. No, but this 4 way will surely make way. And again, you can now talk about online combo sales offer. That one also is part of it, but I'm talking about the one that will sell faster. That's the first 4, and this one can be additional. Probably you run adverts and people are ordering for it, but it should be a combo offer. That is, you are combining 2-3 souvenirs together and you sell it so that you justify the shipping and your profit and margin. So that's just it. And lastly, I said any other creative marketing ideas. And another one, you can go on campus where students are always available. There are so many. Go to where students are always available, sell it to them there. Go to our campuses, schools, even banks. Don't think about other way, but at least I think the one I've listed on screen, they are enough for you to trade your business, making money from Russia 2018, selling World Cup souvenir. What again? My offer. I have an offer for only serious people. I mean only serious and business-minded partner. I want to partner with few people, maybe 5 to 10 people, that we can do the business together, because it is a business of numbers and business of synergy. So what is my offer? My offer is group buy offer. Group buy offer is all about we put money together to buy so that we can get it cheaper and we can bring it in faster, and also we communicate. So the essence of this is, number 1, so that we buy it and then my company will buy it in, and you collect your own portion through the vehicle coming to your state or your city without wasting much of time. And like you said, you can see that it's a group offer that, for example, now we can pull the resources together to buy those souvenirs, and when it comes in, we share it, we distribute it, dispatch it to you from wherever you may be. So, and then with this idea, you can sell it, and maybe we get it sold again, get another order again. So that is what group buy offer is all about. And the minimum you can do, the investment you are expecting is 20,000 naira investment capital. That is, you can put 20,000 down to buy the item, bringing it down, taking care of the purchase and shipping down to Nigeria. Now when the item comes, now you take care of dispatching it down to your location in Nigeria, wherever it may be. That is, you give it to the vehicle coming to your location, and then you pay them when you collect your item. So that is that. So one condition is that you must have minimum of 20,000 naira to invest. And number two, we are buying 2 to 3 hot World Cup souvenir, minimum of 10 pieces each. So that means that if you are going for 2 items, that means that will be getting 20. It depends on the price and the shipping cost that will determine the quantity you get. And again, you must be ready to work it out and be positive. I mean, take advantages of all aggressive method of selling it. If you are not ready to be aggressive selling it offline, don't opt in, and you must be positive that it will sell. So that is that. That's just 3 conditions to be part of this group buy offer. So how do you participate? Are you interested? If your answer is yes, then visit the website you see on the screen, legicashflow.com/Russia2018, or call or WhatsApp me on my phone number, or send email to me about this offer. I believe with this I have explained to you, to make money from Russia 2018 has been demystified, and you will surely make enough cash if you will surely embrace this offer. All we need to do is pull the resources together, and then you will, only those people that are interested will receive only those that are interested will receive the list of the product that we want to buy. That is the souvenir we want to buy, that we want to trade during World Cup 2018, known as Russia 2018. So if you are interested, like I said, go to this website or call or WhatsApp me on the number you see on the screen, or send me email about your interest, and we give you detail of what you want to buy and how we are going to go about it to really make fortune from it. And I believe by July 15, 2018, you'll be counting your blessing and your profit from Russia 2018 doing meaning importation business. It has been the first of Attorney Sholudele once again. So these are the aggressive way to make the money, which you must be ready to work out. And I know by the end of it, we shall have ourselves to thank that for this opportunity and for Russia 2018. Thank you for watching this video this far, and thank you for being a faithful subscriber. And I believe you will make it fortune, make fortune from Russia 2018. Thanks for watching. See you there. Thanks.